How to fix the Emoji Pong game not working in the Instagram DM. So let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram. Now from here you have to go in the chat, and from here you just have to select the emoji. And after that you have to click on it and you just have to try to play with it. Now if you are not able to play with the emoji, for that you just have to go back and check out that if you are using the latest variant of your Instagram or not. Go into your app store or the play store that you are using and search for the Instagram. Now from here you just have to update your Instagram. So once you update your Instagram, you just have to again go back to your Instagram and you have to restart it. And after that you are able to fix the Emoji Pong game not working in the Instagram DM. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.